welcome back to our channel, and today in this video I'm gonna tell you the names of 5 books that will help you to change your life, whether you are a student or any person from any other field. It may be anything, like your profession may be anything, but if you will read these books, it can change your, or it will really help you to get success in your life. Also, it would be helpful in order to enriching your thinking ability. That's really important. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So before moving ahead, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so please do that now. First of all, I would say that the first book is The Time Management by Sudhir Dikshit. See, this book is different than any usual book of the time management books available in market or anything. This book details 30 strategies and tactics proven method to get more done in 24 hours. That how can you utilize your 24 hours more effectively and efficiently, that every single human being on the earth has been granted. So if you are feeling like you are unable to manage your time perfectly, I would certainly say to buy this one, because if you want, then you can buy directly by touching or clicking the link given in the description box I have provided over there. Now moving onward to the second important book, that is The Mastery by the George Leonard. Okay, this book is going to draw the Zen philosophy, means the Zen philosophy basically it is given over there, and help you in the lesson from the martial arts to understand what is the journey going to be like, means what the journey would be like, right? And the journey of the mastery, what does it look like? Okay, so all the experiments, all the experiences being shared over here, because you understand the path you are going to be walking, you are able to navigate the pitfalls, you are able to escape the traps that 90% of the people are going to fall into, so that your path immediately becomes easier. Okay, so these are the things that these are the fields where you can grow, you will have a very great command over there. Okay, third book is The Atomic Habit. So in this book here, he presents an easy and proven way to build effective good habit with the least amount of the effort and highest amount of the reward. And one of the key principles that the gems clear here about, you need to find out what you means about is, you need to find out what your mind, what is every single minute, what is visible, your habit is what men mad. And when you are trying to create the habit, waking up early, studying in the morning, don't try to do the most complex things first. Instead of just think about what does the simplest thing you can start about, right? You don't have to go through the complex thing firstly. What you need to do is just go through the simplest things. Starting from should be there itself. What is the minute, that is what is your aim, what is this one, okay, like this one, and what are the minimum viable habit, okay, and what is something that is so easy to do, you could do it in just 2 minutes, and then from keep increasing it, keep grading those habits just like you graduate in the classroom. Okay, so please do understand the process firstly and then apply it to in your life. Fourth important book is by the Motivation Master. This is the Motivation Master, that is the Eric Thompson, and the book name is The Secret of Success. What is the secret of success? It's a short book firstly, it's a straight to the point book. It's pinchy, it's motivating, it's everything that you would expect from the ET, and it's going to help you to understand one, the journey that Eric Thompson took to go from the high school dropout to an internationally renowned best-selling author. But it's also going to help you to understand the steps and principles that the Eric used to become the person that he is today. Okay, now the fifth important book, that is The Unlimited Power, and it is by the Anthony Robbins. It's a really important book, that's super excellent book. He has proven to the millions that through his books, by the harnessing the power of your mind, you can do anything, you can achieve and create anything you want in your life. If you have ever dreamed of being better in your life, if you want to make your life better, so this book will show you how to achieve an extraordinary quality of life you deserve and you desire. Okay, Unlimited Power is a revolutionary fitness book for the mind. It will show you step by step how to perform at your peak while going or while gaining the emotional and financial freedom, attaining the leadership and self-confidence, and winning the cooperation of others limited. This unlimited power is a guidebook to the super performance. If you want to do superior performance at any age of the success, means in an age of success. So these were the 5 books. I would say you must read these books, because if you are truly interested, then you must read this. If you are really serious about your success in life, for being successful in your life, then you must go through these books. Okay, you can get all these books through the description box. You can get and just click the link over there, and you can directly go and can buy over there. Okay, thanks for watching this video.